am going to explain you about the average power in all AC circuit. First condition, that is for the circuit containing R only, means resistance only. So we have read about, in the case of circuit containing R only, E and I are in the same phase. So if E and I are in the same phase, then phi is equal to 0. Phase difference between E and I is equal to 0. So if this is 0, cos phi will be equal to 1, because cos 0 degree is equal to 1. E and I are in the same phase. So average power comes out to be EV IV cos phi is equal to EV IV cos 0, means P is equal to EV I. So this is the value of the power in the case of circuit containing R only. Now we will see for the circuit containing L only, we have cos phi is equal to cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Why? Reason is that in the case of the purely inductive circuit, the current lag behind the voltage by the phase angle pi by 2. This we have read already. So that is why when we will substitute this value in the formula of the power, so P average comes out to be EV IV cos pi by 2, and this will be equal to 0. It means the average power dissipated in the purely inductive circuit will be equal to 0. Now the third case, for circuit containing capacitor only. So in this case also we will write cos phi is equal to cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Why? Because in this case we have read that current leads the voltage by the phase angle pi by 2. So when we will substitute this value in the formula of the average power, again we will be getting the same value, P average is equal to 0. It means in this case also the average power dissipated in the AC circuit is equal to 0. So in both the cases, for the purely inductive and for the purely capacitive circuit, we get the average power dissipation is equal to 0. Now the fourth case, for series LCR circuit. For series LCR circuit, we have a condition XL is equal to XC, and in this condition, when we will apply in the formula of impedance, we will get the impedance is equal to Z is equal to R. And when Z is equal to R, now the circuit will behave like a purely resistive circuit. And again in this case, the phase difference between E and I will be equal to 0. So for purely resistive circuit, cos phi is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. And then again you will substitute this value in the formula of the power. You will be getting the same value as you have got in the first case, that is EV IV cos 0 is equal to P average EV I. So these are the expressions of the average power dissipated in the AC circuit for the different combinations of the elements.